Hello and welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this movie I will show you how to use the download function of the Vivo PC software. By clicking this button you will be able to store patient data on your computer for analysis. Automatically, the program will ask you if the data are to be stored in a patient file that already exists on your computer, or if it's a new patient which has to be created. Let's first of all assume this is a new patient. You will be asked to complete the patient's first and family name as well as date of birth, and eventually add an ID code which you use to keep track of your patients. You will be able to save the patient data into an archive of your choice by selecting the desired archive from the list. Adding an archive can easily be done by clicking the archive icon with the green plus sign. And in a similar way, one can also delete an archive by using the archive icon with the red cross symbol. When you push OK, the software will ask you to select if the data are to be downloaded directly from the ventilator via a USB cable or from a CF card placed in a card reader connected to your PC. Let's assume we download data directly from the ventilator. So I select the USB port, click OK, and the software will now automatically download and save the data from the connected ventilator. The software will first download the year data, which allow you to review usage and compliance day by day. Then it will download the month data, which give you an overview of the last month with measurements breath by breath. And at last, the detailed or 24-hour data will be stored, which allow you to review the last 24 hours by looking at detailed waveforms of all monitored parameters. The software will open the file for analysis as soon as the download procedure has ended. Let's go back to the home page. And now we'll go through the same procedure. But this time we will add the memory data to a patient file that already exists. By clicking Choose Existing Patient, a window will pop up showing you the list of all patients that are saved on your computer. You just have to select the right patient file and click OK. You choose the location of the card reader, push OK, and the data will be downloaded. In a similar way as before, when pushing OK, the data will be displayed for analysis. So as you've seen, downloading information from a Vivo ventilator for analysis is a very fast and easy procedure. If you want more information, please visit our website on breas.com or contact your local Breas representative. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the other movies in this tutorial series to get more information on how to use the analysis function and how to remotely monitor your patients.